Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again euro currency. So as we can see, our suggestion that euro should drop a bit more was correct, and indeed market has shown a very good drop yesterday. Mostly it has completed all our targets that we have on intraday charts, and currently we have actually two major concerns. First of all is why is euro dropping, and second is what to expect in today's session. So currently, guys, we should not search any fundamental or economical background, technical background of this drop. You probably know we have warned you on our weekly report that this week will be under the sign of the negotiations between Great Britain and European Union concerning the Brexit. So yesterday we've got the first results, which means that the Brexit and divorce probably will be postponed. And that will press on the both currencies. And you can see the action on the euro currency, and you can see the action on the Great British pound. So for euro currency, as we have talked about it in details many times in our weekly reports, the European Union stands in a bit more advantage position because it doesn't need to estimate any borders. No public opinion is pressed on the European Union authorities. So one thing that the European Union would like to get is just penalties from the Great British pound. This is the multi-billions penalties for the exit of out from the European Union. So that's one of the major topics of discussion. Great Britain, of course, do not want to pay these penalties, or it tries to reduce these penalties as much as possible. But this is only the fiscal problem. Another problem for the Great Britain is the border. So we already have talked about this. It will be either they split the Ireland, or it will split the whole economical space of the Great Britain in two parts. If the border will be on the Irish Sea. So both scenarios are not acceptable for the Great Britain, and whatever solution will be, it will be negative for Great Britain anyway. So that's why, guys, in this week, especially today, tomorrow, don't try to find the technical reasons of this drop, because mostly this is just pure politics. So still concerning on the second question, what we could expect in the nearest few sessions or even today. Guys, on the daily chart, we still have the pattern that hasn't reached the target, and this pattern is the bearish grabber here. So you can't see it on this chart, but I will tell you that in reality we have the grabber here. If you will check the futures price on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange or euro currency, you'll see that here we have the bearish grabber. This grabber suggests the taking out of these lows. From the technical point of view, market has no barriers to do that, because market is not at oversold. We do not have any meaningful supports below the market. And I suppose that if market really bullish, we should get kind of the wash and rinse of these lows, so fast spike down and fast return. And the bullish pattern, actually market could form here only one bullish pattern that could confirm our idea of the possible upward deep retracement. This pattern is double top. If market somehow will just drop below these lows and will start moving to the 113 area, well, in this case we probably should acknowledge that major bearish trend that we have on the monthly and weekly chart is continuing. So it means that in the next week we mostly will be watching for what will happen around these lows. But today I think that it's a good idea to fix for profit finally, or you could keep some minor part of your position, say 50%, 15%, or 10% from your normal trading with the expectation of the wash and rinse of these lows. So because mostly the trading plan for this week is completed. On the hourly chart, guys, what we have indeed, take a look, our retracement that we have suggested yesterday has been completed and was slightly higher for 10 pips greater. The market collapsed, the XLP target has been reached. Also, this is the weekly pivot support round. This is actually the only support that we have right now on the market. Overall price action that we see here, its retracement stands from the XOP even slower than this one and that one. So here you can see market has completed the same range of the retracement faster, so 2 or 3 sessions. But here, I mean candles, here it's considered 2 or 3 times longer. So it means that downward continuation here again probably will happen. But as I said, you can see double top is completed, XOP is completed, brand body is completed. So if you would like to bet on the wash and rinse of these lows, well, it will be approximately potential about 50 pips probably. So you could try to do this. If you would not want to do this, well, today's Friday, guys, you could just fix your profit and enjoy the holiday. So that's what we see right now on the euro currency.